Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be taking another look at this trike build right here. What I basically have to do today is get this stainless steel rod placed across like this to strengthen the suspension so that it doesn't wobble from side to side. To do that, I'll have to use this water screw. I'll just cut it over at the middle and then weld on each half to the end of this stainless steel pipe. But before welding anything on, I have to cut it to the appropriate length. To find the correct length, I just have to go and measure from the center of this bracket right here and then down to the frame. I read about 108 centimeters. And that number will be important in just about 30 seconds. What I have to do now is subtract the length of this water screw from the length I measured over at the trike frame. That is about 30 centimeters. It doesn't have to be that accurate because you have the adjustability option. And when you subtract 30 centimeters from 108 centimeters, you'll get 78. I'll just make a mark right there. Now let's go to the bandsaw and cut it up to the correct length. Now that we have the pipe at the correct length, I just have to take the water screw and cut it down the middle so that I can weld it onto each end. Essentially what I'm doing right now is just lengthening the water screw so the function will be exactly the same. I've just marked the water screw and now it's time to cut it in the middle. Now that everything has been prepped, I'm ready to weld the water screws on the end of the pipe. I've now welded up the adjustment bar and I thought that I should try to mount it, but I can't really mount it yet because I still need an attachment point on the frame. Alright, that was quite tedious to install. Now you can see I have this adjuster arm going all the way over to the frame right here on the side, and I just need to make a small attachment point that can hold this other end in place. Now I just have to drill a hole in the middle of this piece of material, and since this is 13mm and I want some slack, I'll be drilling a 14mm hole. I've now placed the attachment point right on the frame here, and I just need to get it welded securely so I can test out this adjuster arm. All that's left to do is to get everything assembled. Alright guys, the adjuster arm has been finished. And if you guys don't really understand what the purpose of this contraption is yet, it's basically when you're driving down the road, then all of the sideways forces will start to sway the differential and all of the suspension parts side to side. And to prevent that, you simply attach a long joint to the frame right here and up to the differential, and that helps stiffen everything up. And not only that, you can also use it to adjust the suspension side to side so that you have the same angle inwards or outwards. Here it's pretty straight down, and over here it leans inward quite a lot. Then you can simply just turn on this pipe right here, or you can just get a wrench and turn on this flat bit. And this is not really exact, it has to be adjusted after painting and stuff like that. And as you can see, the angle is much less aggressive on this side, and now it matches the other one a bit more. I think it still needs to lean over a slight tad bit. And with all of that said, this is going to be the end of today's video. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, because I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I would really like to hit that by the end of this year. And if you want to see more projects like the one I did today, or other projects like the rocket stoves that I'm trying to improve on, or literally any other fabrication related subject, please write a comment suggesting any ideas or recommendations. And that will be it for today. Bye bye guys, see ya!